Hi, welcome to Studio 2310. This is Debra Holladay, and I'm going to take you on a tour of my studio. I've been here 12 years. I share the space with one other artist, Mark Wood, and we love this space. We each have a personal space. This is my personal studio, 350 square feet or so. Mark also has a similar space, similar size. And then we also have a common space that we share, and we have models on Tuesdays. We have open studio on Wednesdays. We also have a crit night on Wednesdays once a month where people bring in paintings and everyone critiques them. It's a lot of fun. I've also conducted workshops here, still life workshops. So entering my studio, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff, a lot of props. I've really gotten into still life lately, mainly because I prefer painting from life. Of course, I know that it is a necessity sometimes to paint from photos or memory even, but I really prefer painting from life. A lot of props. I keep 2 workstations set up at all times. This is a still life setup. I started yesterday. I added the lemons today. I will be tweaking the layout a bit when I finish this video and kind of tweak the position of the lemons. I paint a lot of lemons because I have a lemon tree in my backyard. These are some of my plein air paintings from trips to Carmel and up to Lake Arrowhead this past year. Fizz is my painting that is in the gold medal show this year. Moving to my other area, a lot of frames. Everything got canceled this year, so I have a lot of frames and a lot of panels. I'm gonna just focus on preparing for next year, which is gonna turn out to be pretty busy, I think, with shows. There's some more still lifes. I also have my second workstation. I generally stand at this workstation. I do have a high chair that I can sit down if I get tired and I'm still eye level with the painting. This right now is a painting that I'm working on of my granddaughter. I tend to keep things on cardboard so that I can crop and stretch at some point when I decide what the composition will finally be. These are some paintings from models, just alla prima. Some more paintings here, my gold medals, and a lot of brushes, a lot of DVDs, CDs, a lot of paint, just a lot of everything. As you can see, I'm a collector. You never know when you're gonna want a bad brush or a weird little thing. I mean, even kept old plumbing. Stretcher bars, hardware. I do want to talk about this pallet. I've had this pallet for many, many years. I actually used it when I studied at the Art Students League in New York and used it in Central Park and Prospect Park plein air painting. I have left it on the top of my car a couple times and didn't discover my mistake until I got home. Went back, found it in the middle of the street. I know it's been run over at least once, but it still works great and it's a lucky palette, so I keep it. I think that's it. Thank you so much for touring my studio and watching my video.